thank you.
TH5K. Report to Cargo Bay 2 for container support assignment.
Thank you. Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kilo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poldam and then a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety here, it'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara.
Over where?
Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Launch, we're loading up.
Pokhara bound personnel, this is your final call to board. I just want to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. Operador hyperdrive. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, 9 Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot.
Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Nella quel system scan che
Affirmative.
veda
Hyperdrive systems normal. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. DVA, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company! First order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump! They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake your blow!
I'm trying, Mike!
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to throw it away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'll come back for you! Stay strong!
Is there anything we can do, Nina? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Attention resistance sympathizers. This ship is now the property of the First Order, and all of you are being sent for interrogation. Now get out. Down the ramp, processing on your right. Let's go. Yes, you, hiding in the corner. Leave. And you. Go, I've got a lot of scanning to do. Off the ship, spies.
Clear the ship for search. Scans show the transport is carrying weapons and supplies. Route all passengers to the detention block. Troops, secure the flight deck.
That doesn't include the location of your secret base.
You are to remain on this blue line.
That way, keep up.
You are just four.
This side.
Remain on that orange line there.
Secret back to the cell. Now cross over yet.
Before you enter your interrogation, make note of that color the First Order has so graciously provided you with. That color will be the one and only thing keeping you and your group together. You will not see it again. Put it to memory. Blue, inside. Orange, you are to follow behind, maintain your distance.
leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Do you say huh? Yes. Nobody lives on huh. It's too cold. Alright, this is our 5-piece program to take you guys back to the planet. You guys know which planet that is. Yeah? I don't know. You don't know? Alright, looks like we got stormtrooper activity in the next room. I'm gonna wait for that to clear up. Did it work?
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Approved, droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. Operation Interception Lot 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Attention Block Bridge. Prisoners not seen on level D. Fire! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Escape pods, they're floors! Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, scan for spot beacons.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
That's out of the wreckage, sir.
Wrecking?
Lieutenant back here. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Welcome back, recruits. Great job out there. Awesome. Make sure you gather all your cargo and you'll head out this way. Thank you. Thanks for joining the cause.